Alright, hello guys, I'm a bear in the forest and I'm going to be showing you how to install custom Counter-Strike source skins. This is pretty easy, but it can be complicated and it's changed over the past year. So let's jump right in this. First thing you'll need is your actual skin file. I grab them off Game Banana or FPS Banana. In this case I've got this one. You will also need WinRAR, which is an archiving program. I'll put a link in the description for this one too. Once you have that, you want to download the actual skin file and open it up to see what's inside. As you can see, we have multiple files. We have materials, models, screenshots, scripts, and sounds. We won't focus on these right now, but we will once we get to the local files. Okay, there's one of two ways you can access your local files. The first one is to go to Steam and go to your games library and find the game you want to find your locals file for, which in this case it's Counter-Strike source. You want to go to the right click on it, properties, local files, browse local files. As you can see, it takes you instantly to the local files. And there's also another way to go at this. The other way is to actually go to your computer and go to where you've installed it. I installed it on my F disk, and you can find it. You will probably find in your x86 or program files. I installed it just on my F disk, but it might be in those files if it's not out here. Once you get into your Steam files, you should see a whole bunch of folders. You just want to go to Steam Apps, Common, find the game you want, which in this case is Counter-Strike Source again, and it brings you back to the file it brought you to in Steam. Okay, now we will actually install the file. To do this, we want to go to the C Strike folder, and you'll see a whole bunch of folders. If you have already installed the skin before, you know you used to just put all the files into here. That has changed over the last year, I think. So what you want to do is there's a new custom folder if you've actually updated it, and there should be a readme. I'd highly suggest read that. I'll go over everything in the video, but it's probably more helpful if you read that. So you want to make a new folder. You want to name it exactly how I name it. My underscore custom underscore stuff. When that folder is created, I want to go into that folder and you can see it's empty, but this is where you're going to be putting all your content that you download. In this example, the skins. So let's open our file again. I'm going to bring this over here. And here are some files. I won't worry about screenshots. That is pretty useless. So the only files I'm going to need here are sounds, scripts, models, and materials. Once you have those or the other files that don't include screenshots, you want to drag them into your custom stuff folder. It should extract, and as you can see, it's done. And that is, in a nutshell, it. Okay, now that you've done that, you're done installing it. That's all you have to do, and now you just have to launch the game and see if it did work. So I will see you in the game. So I've made it into the game now, and as you can see, I have installed the skin properly. Now if this does not happen to you, or it doesn't work for some odd reason, what you can try to do is unzip the zipped file and extract them into your My Custom stuff. If not, you can try to look around on the internet and the forums and see what you can find. So if you did like the video, like it, and subscribe if you can. Comment, like, subscribe, like I just said, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.